Hi there, my name is Kyle. I'm here on behalf of Makers Mercantile to share with you the top 5 things to know about today's newsletter. Item number 1, we have a Super Saver kit to share with you today. This is the leaf scarf from our friends at Shuffle, and it uses 2 different yarns, 2 balls each of the 2 different yarns. The first yarn is called Zauberball 100. It is the same sort of Zauberball color changing that we all know and love, and it is a merino wool. And the other is XL Klex, which is a yarn that is knitted and then hand painted, and then once it's dried, it is wound back up into a ball. So I have 4 different colorways to show you. I want to make sure I show all of them to you. So let's start with the stuff that comes with the yarn, right? So of course you're going to get the maker's bag, which is awesome. Great way to keep track of your projects. So you'll have a project bag. You're going to get a Skacel by Addi knitting needle, a circular needle. It's 32 inch, a size US 1 or 2.5 millimeter for that in the Addi products. And that is the Skacel Rocket. And then you're going to get a tiny little, almost dropped it, little tiny stitch marker. So there it is. And a little heart marker. They're called Addi Love, and they're super cute. They work really well for crochet and for knitting. They're nice little removable ones. They're super fun. So let's talk about the 4 colorways. The first colorway is the one that is the sample. We named this Determined as the colorway, and Determined uses this really awesome multicolor. It goes from sort of apricot kind of color to a burgundy to a deep almost black, goes through browns, and it's paired with the XL Klex in shades of gray. So there's those 2. That's the Determined colorway. The second one is called Valiant. Valiant uses, for the XL Klex, this really fun green paired with this really awesome, goes from teal through blues into like eggplant, that kind of thing. I think that's really going to be a fun one. The third one is called Remarkable, because you are remarkable, and I'm a little cheesy, but that's okay. Uses a really beautiful chocolatey brown of the XL Klex paired with this one, which is sort of that really awesome chartreuse, which I like, can you tell? And it goes into sort of violets and sort of a dusty kind of gray. So that is the Remarkable colorway. And the last one that we have for you is called Enchanting. Enchanting uses this really fun, bright, vibrant pink. It goes back and forth between like really bright to a little bit more pale, mixed with this one, which is, this is color 1701, and I believe this is one of the most popular colorways that Shuffle makes, which I think is really awesome. It's very fun and bright, vibrant. I think this is going to make a fun scarf as well. Super bold, and some people really like bold and lots of color, so why not, right? So you're asking about the price, of course. It's a great deal. All of the information for pricing and stuff is in the newsletter, so make sure you check that out. Or head over to the website and you can see it there. But once these are gone, there's only a few of each colorway. Once they're gone, they're gone. So you gotta act quick. And if you don't see one, it's probably been sold out. So that's the Super Saver kit. Item number 2 is a reminder, a gentle reminder that we have a clearance sale going on. It ends on Wednesday. There is a discount code. Again, it's down in that newsletter, so check that out to get that code. And you can save 20% off of the already discounted prices on some really, really great yarns. I mean, gosh, there's Kinsey in there, Balico. I mean, gosh, there's so many. There's lots of really, really great mohair if you're interested in some mohair, so check that out. Item number 3. It's a lot of stuff for just one item and one item. But item number 3 is the Northwest Harvest auction that we're doing right now. So we have a number of items up for auction, and you can see the link in our newsletter. And the auction will end on Friday at 9 o'clock. So make sure you bid, and bid high as you can, for the things that you think are awesome. We are going to pay to cover the cost of shipping the item to you, and all the proceeds, if you bid $50 or $100, whatever you bid, all that money is going to go to Northwest Harvest, which is a awesome nonprofit here in Washington that helps folks get food that they need so that everyone can be healthy and well fed. Item number 4, time for the fourth one. Item number 4 is Edwards Menagerie. So there's a number of different books we put down in our newsletter, and they each book has 40 or 50 different patterns for a whole bunch of different animals. So you can choose, there's a bird book, there's one with dogs in it. So check those out. They are super fun. And of course, I'm sure you can mix and match the different elements to create other animals as well. Item number 5. Item number 5 is just an announcement, a notice, I guess, if you will, that we are going to be adjusting our shipping rates effective August 1st. So read the blog post that is now released. It gives you some information. Essentially, we're just going to raise that minimum for free shipping up to $75, and it will be free shipping in the contiguous US. And then there are other rates that are going to be adjusted as well slightly. We just need to raise the rates a little bit to help cover and offset some of that shipping cost for us getting all the awesome products out to you. And lastly, item number 6. So I came up with 6 things. There are some Renaissance ribbon packs that we put into the newsletter. These are really beautifully curated collections of ribbon that are done by Renaissance, of course. They are curated by some really awesome artists and makers. And you'll see some of the names as you're going through, and you'll remember or recognize some of them for sure. Like Cafe Facet is one of them. Tula Pink has done some. There's a whole bunch. But anyway, check those out. And if you are ever looking for, a collection of fun ribbons to trim and accent your projects, you can check those out and have them at the ready for when you're ready to add that little special touch on your project. There are a couple spots left in the hand-painted yarn workshop that's coming up at the end of the month. So if you are in the area and interested in learning how to do hand-painted yarn a super simple way, doesn't take a whole lot of extra equipment and stuff, come join us in the shop. Make sure you sign up for that. The cost includes 2 hanks of yarn that you will dye yourself, and you'll take home, and you'll be able to make something really awesome with it. So gosh, I think I covered everything. If you have questions or you ever need any help, you're always welcome to reach out to us online, hello@makersmercantile.com, or give us a call either at the shop or online, and we will do our best to help you. And I think that's it. So happy Tuesday, everyone. Have a fantastic week. And Karin should be back for our next newsletter on Friday. So have a wonderful week and enjoy the day. Bye-bye.